How to delete Wizz account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Wizz application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now scroll down and under the Privacy and Safety tab, you will see the My Data option. Tap on that and then tap on the Delete Account option you see there at the bottom. You will then be asked to select a reason for why you are trying to delete your account. So go ahead and select the most appropriate reason for why you are trying to delete your account, and you will then be asked for the confirmation. So tap on the yes option, and with this your account will be processed for deletion. So this is how you can delete Wizz app account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.